What if the strongest legs you have ever had required nothing but a wall and 3 minutes? What if the exercise you have been skipping your entire life was the one your knees, your glutes, and your lower back have been desperately asking for? What if stillness was the most intense thing you could do for your lower body today? The wall sit is not a rest. It is a physiological event. And what it does to your body in 90 days is something most people never discover because they never hold it long enough to find out. Subscribe right now, because what daily wall sitting does to your quadriceps, your glutes, and your calves after just 2 weeks is something the fitness industry almost never talks about, and it is remarkable. Here is exactly how to do it. Back flat against the wall, shoulder blades, spine, and tailbone all making full contact. Feet shoulder width apart, 2 feet in front of the wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Knees at exactly 90 degrees, directly above the ankles. Arms at your sides, never resting on your thighs or you lose 30% of the quad load instantly. Now hold. Breathe slow and controlled. Do not hold your breath. At 45 seconds, it burns. At 90 seconds, something shifts. The burn goes deeper. Your fast-twitch muscle fibers begin firing. Your nervous system calls in reserves it has never had to call before. That shake in your legs, that is not weakness. That is your body building strength it has never built before. Target 3 minutes. If you cannot hold 3 minutes, hold as long as you can. Rest 10 seconds and return. Build every single day. Here's what happens when you commit to this daily. In week 1, your legs burn fast and your mind tells you to quit. But staying is where real change begins. By week 2, you push further. Your body shakes and you start noticing strength, stability, and support building. In week 3, everything feels stronger and smoother, and even simple movements become easier. By week 4, you break past your old limits and realize the biggest barrier was never your body. It was the story you believed. Follow for a new daily routine every week. No equipment, no gym, no excuses. And drop in the comments right now. How long can you currently hold a wall sit? Be completely honest, because that number changes today, and I want to watch it happen.